In my family, arepas is serious business. If you ever came late to breakfast, there was a really good chance you weren't gonna have one. Hi, I'm Cesar, and today we're making my family's arepas. I was born in Caracas, Venezuela. When I was 6, we left Venezuela for the United States. Arepas are a type of bread that Venezuelans eat. We eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. One important thing you want to remember is that the cornmeal has to be poured slowly to the water to eliminate any chance of having clumps. At the end of the stirring, you want to make sure you have a very dense dough ball. You know the arepa dough is ready when you press your fingers against it and it doesn't stick to them. The story behind my parents is they met in college. My father was from Venezuela and my mother was from Bristol, Virginia. He was on a scholarship and he had an opportunity to come here and learn, but caveat to that was that he was going to have to return to Venezuela and spend some time working there, which meant after my mom and he fell in love, she was going to have to come with him. She had a lot of struggles and culture shock when she was in Venezuela, but one of the things that she really could confide in was learning how to make traditional Venezuelan dishes with my grandmother. So the great thing about arepas is you can really have them with anything. But my favorite way that it's prepared is my mother's chicken avocado recipe. It's something that we call reina pepiada. It consists of avocado, cilantro, salt and pepper, and chicken. You can use pulled chicken, but if you don't have time to make that, you can also use rotisserie style. Arepas were always a big part of our breakfast. We used to have them with scrambled eggs, ham and cheese, and butter. One of the things that I'm really proud about for having two parents from different cultures is the perspective I have on the world. I get to appreciate so many things because I've seen it from so many different angles. I'm really thankful to my parents for keeping up with our traditions from our native land. Now I'm here at Tasty Studios making my own video, so I really feel like it's the torch being passed down.
Oh, yes!